Hello everyone. So today we are going to have a quick unboxing and installation video of an LED ceiling light fixture from Artika called StarRaker. I'm just going to show you. I just recently did this and looks very beautiful and it's dimmable as well. So let's quickly look at the box of what we see on the box. So here it's talking about LED ceiling light fixture. And here, if you look at the bottom, it says LED dimmable. So that's a very nice feature. 1800 lumens, and the lifetime span they're saying is 50,000 hours, and it's an Energy Star. So let's look at the side, what it's actually talking about. So here it says LED light fixture, ceiling backlighting, very easy to install. I'm actually going to open the box and show you how I installed it. Let's look at the back side. They're talking about some of the features here. Modern design, premium glass. So this glass is a high quality glass, very easy to install. It's just 2 screws and you just fix it up and that's it. Anybody can do it. You don't need a professional electrician to do it. It's that simple. But if you don't know how to do it, I'd suggest you hire a professional. It's dimmable. So that was one of the features. I actually got it for my house because it's dimmable and I can actually control it. Hardware is included. I'm going to open the box and I'm going to show you what's included in the box. Important thing. Here is the dimensions. So diameter is 32.61 centimeter versus if you look here, 8.60 is the height. So it's actually not, I can show you here, it's actually not that height, it's not that much. Very sleek, very neat design, and I really liked it. Another important thing, if you look here, brightness is 1800 lumens and the lifespan is 50,000 hours. That's a lot of hours that you can really use this. The color is 3000K, which is very bright, very nice. It can lit up a room very easily. Power is 25 watts. So let's open the box and see what's inside. I'm gonna quickly open the box and here I see the hardware is included. This is for the hot wire, the neutral and the ground wire, and then there are 2 screws that's included. So I've opened the box here and inside I see there is a manual. It says instruction manual how to actually install it. So I'm going to keep it aside. I'm going to remove this and I'm going to remove this. So here is the actual product. This is the solid glass and these are where all the LED lights are. And if I just flip this and show you on the other side, it's simple. You have a black hot wire, a white neutral wire and a naked ground wire. That's about it. When you attach it to your ceiling, you use this to tie it. The 2 screws to fix this up. You see 1 hole and 2 hole here, 2 holes to fix it up. Fix it up, attach this one and you're good to go. So now I'm gonna install it and show you how to install it. So here I'm trying to install it on my bathroom ceiling. And sorry for the dim light. I have turned off power because I am doing electrical work. So here you will see 3 cables. One is, like I said, a ground wire. Black one is the hot wire and the white one is the neutral wire. Here behind this you have the same thing. So black goes with black, white goes with white, and then the ground one goes with ground. I'm going to attach it and then you have 2 screws here. You see here in the corner, you just open this screw and you open this screw and you fix it here with, let me show you here. So here you will see, let me show you here like this. Okay. So here you would see 1 screw under my thumb. Here is another one. This goes like this. The LED light comes downstairs. You have to fix 2 screws and that's about it. So let me do it and I'll get back to you. So here you can see I have actually attached the black one with the black, the hot wire, the white neutral with the white, and then I have attached the ground together. Now there are two screws here, screw number 1, screw number 2. Here is my first hole, here is my second hole. I am just going to put it up so the LED side looks down, and I'm going to attach the two screws, and then I will show you the next step. Okay, so this is how you fix it. You bring it down from here and then you push it this side so you can tie it properly. The same goes here. If you can see, push it down from here and then push it this side and tie the screw. So one screw and then two screw, and that's about it. That's how this will be fixed on the wall. And then with these holders, you bring it inside. You just have to attach the glass, and I'll show you. And then with these pullers, there are 3 pulls on each side. You just close it. So when you close it, I'm just gonna show you what happens. So right now it's inside. When you close it, it's gonna actually hold the glass here. Same here, this is like this now. When I put the glass, it will hold the glass like this, and you have to hear a click noise. So I have just put the glass up, and you see this clips here. If I close this clip, you hear a click noise. Same thing goes here. I have closed it. So there are 3 clips. You close all the 3 clips that hangs this glass on the ceiling, and that's how it actually looks. It looks very sleek. See, it's not, the height is not much. Looks very beautiful. And I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, so it is the reveal time now. I am going to start the light and show you how it looks like. This looks fantastic. I actually changed this light on all my rooms. So I'm gonna quickly show you my passage, how it looks like. So here is how it looks like in the passage, and here is how it looks like in my bedroom. Beautiful light, beautiful reflection. I love it, and it's dimmable as well. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.